Well, hello. Welcome to Fall 2020 and Psychology 235, Section 601. I'm Beverly Beyer. I will be your instructor this semester, and I just wanted to take a quick couple of minutes and do a hello video for our first day of classes. Just to kind of orient you quickly. You could, see me, meet me. This is my home office here, and just give you kind of a few tips to starting off our class well here on Monday. Hopefully you're watching this right away on Monday, our first day of classes. So right away, what I'd like everybody to do is go ahead and get onto the website, take a look at the syllabus. Again, you can print it off or have it available. When we have our first real-time remote session, we will be going over that and taking a look at that. And then just kind of go through the site a little bit, see if you have any basic questions. You'll notice that I've sort of organized the site in weekly modules, and so each week a new module will open up that will tell you sort of what we're going to be doing, working on that week, and then all the materials will be in that section as well, so that you can kind of have everything all together for that particular week. Now, okay, so this is section 601. Normally on campus, we would be meeting on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays in class live. And what how I've chosen to start us off is to meet in real-time remote via Zoom on Mondays and Wednesdays. So Monday, today, if you're watching it today, at 11 o'clock, we will have our first real-time remote Zoom meeting where we will meet each other. And then also on Wednesday, we will have one. And so I want to just let you know that that's kind of how we're going to start off. And then I will be assigning other things to do on Friday, which we'll on Fridays, which we'll talk about again when we meet today on our Zoom. So I will always post our Zoom information in a separate announcement at the very top of our homepage. So on the announcement page or our main homepage for our course is where you'll find all of that information once you've taken a look at that course. It has the links and all the information for our Zoom meetings. So when we get together today at 11 o'clock, Monday and Wednesdays at 11 o'clock, I'd like you to have your audio working as well as your video. That way we can all see each other and we can get into groups if we need to, or whatever we're going to do for that day's session. I won't be recording those sessions, so kind of two reasons. One is so that you know that what we do in class that day will be kind of live like we normally do, like in a regular class period. And that you kind of need to come to class every day on those Mondays and Wednesdays so that you can see what we're doing. You won't be able to catch up via those recordings. So kind of two reasons to do it that way. Hopefully will help a little bit with your sense of privacy, that it will just be us as a group together. They won't be posted anywhere on my website. When you come in on our first Zoom session, just want to let you know that you will all be muted when you come in, and I will admit you into the class at 11 o'clock. So if you're just hanging out in the waiting room that they have there, that's where you'll just kind of hang out. And then, a minute or so before class starts, I'll open that up and we'll start admitting students into the class and saying hello. I think that's it. I know we've got some kinks to work out. We'll work on that in the first week, making sure we've got technology sorted out. And please just don't worry. You can always email me either through G2L or at my frontrange.edu account. We'll make it through. We're going to make it work. We're going to have a good semester. And with all of us working hard together, it's going to be great. So I look forward to meeting you all a little bit later today. And okay, I'll see you in class then. All right, welcome. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.